This is just a showcasing of various short-dated foods budget shopping opportunities. Welcome back to Decentralized Nutritional Science in the frame and context of structural violence and economics. Chicken gizzards for 500 grams, $1.74. Easy to cook. All it takes is just a brief boiling on the stove with some water, with some vegetables. No more to the point of well done, under 5 minutes, and there we go. 2 liters, $3.19 all the way down to $1.60. 2 yogurts, discounted short-dated yogurts, which are still fairly safe under this author's own n=1 experiences. $2 all the way down to 40 cents each. And this is very useful for us to begin make our own DIY yogurts using these two as a starting culture to begin with. And then lastly, of course, this is not going to be ideal source of long-term source of protein. However, to safely cook these sausages without excessive lipid peroxidation, we would have to opt for the wet cooking methodology, in which we have to submerge just a quick brief overview. You're just going to boil these sausages immerse it fully with water, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, and then leave it to simmer for at least no more than 50 minutes. And then we drain away some, but unfortunately not all of the PUFA, omega, and 6 fatty acids that resides within the casing and the mixture of these sausages. Short-dated finishing butter at 60 cents each, as accordingly to the label, although it is very difficult to determine. Serving per pack 20 at a serving size of 5 grams. Once again, this is just one of those few opportunities in such that we can actually use this as a condiment mixed in with, say, yogurts or olive oil and or existing mayonnaise and or tomato paste, and there we go. A good enough condiment supply for at least 3 or 4 days worth of ketogenic and or low carbohydrate friendly condiment supply. A short-dated bag of garlic for only $2. Next, this is for a little bit of novelty. Cherry, pre-packed cherry, 1 kilogram for only $2. However, keeping in mind that cherries holds quite a few water content, so it might be wise for us to actually put this in the freezer for as soon as upon purchasing full fat cream milk and or whey liquids based from our DIY yogurt making recipe. Two short-dated high-low milk at 50 cents each. This one here, even though it is only 280 to 300 grams worth, it is nevertheless a worthy source of PUFA omega-3, source of whole foods. Kangaroo minced burger, 4 worth of patties, and marked down from $6.50 to just $2.21. Hence was the confirm once again for the size of 120 grams, all together for $2.21. 6 lots of lamb neck rosette, $3.40. 600 milliliters fresh cream, $2 short-dated pricing, and 300 milliliters of pure cream, $1, and also English spinach. However, this may not be advisable for those who have oxalate sensitivity. Just a bit of disclaimer. Once again, as proof, lamb neck rosette, $3.40, pure cream, 600 milliliters, $2, the 300 milliliters cream, $1, and then the English spinach, $1, and lastly, just a bit of a treat. Sugar-free cream soda, 69 cents. So that just goes to conclude the various examples on what one can do amidst however few luck that the readers might be granted upon in any given day. There is always going to be a long list of disclaimers that this author may only confide into just one summary and statement. Your millage, your location will undoubtedly vary. There are many weeks and or times whereby there is absolutely nothing. That is, that none of these opportunities may yet be consistent and or constant from store to store, from branch to branch, and from state to state. Hence, please maintain your due courtesy and curiosity to therefore conduct your own regular scouting procedures as stated and encourage between the times of early mornings, late afternoons, and or up to 30 to 45 minutes, say around about that time, before the closure of each branch. Consider viewing the 3-part long feature presentation series on the handling of various expired food products. These are 3 long video presentations in which each video comprises of its own various category of foods, expired foods in concern. Alongside that, this author would like to share his own experiences surrounding the consumption and the handling of such various suspecting food products. And once again, as another disclaimer, none of those may yet be a totalitarian gospel of both safety and or correctness. Therefore, once again, your millage, your physiological, biological, and biochemistry millage will undoubtedly vary. This author hopes that this video will shed some light and useful advice and various curious insights on what the possibilities out there amidst short-dated goods food shopping budget experience. Your millage may vary, but of all things, keep living it forward. Thank you for watching.